In this video, I'm going to show you how to write an email with ChatGPT. Can you please write an email to my wife, whose name is Hannah, and let her know that I'm going to be 1 hour late home from the office as I have so much work to do. But please let her know that I will make it up to her when I come back and take her out for a lovely meal at her favorite restaurant. All right, there we go. Let's see what it can do with that. So, subject, late from the office, like it. Dear Hannah, we'll probably make that a little less formal, and we can do that with ChatGPT as well. Hope you're having a good day. I wanted to let you know that I will be 1 hour late coming home from the office. I have a lot of work to do, but I promise to make it up to you when I get back. I'll take you out for a lovely meal at your favorite restaurant. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Love, and then my name. So, you know, that's pretty good. So maybe ChatGPT can save marriages. Who knows? Now, if you like a ChatGPT and you do want to learn more about all of this kind of stuff, you might want to check out my free community